in this video we are going to see how can you quickly add a blank page in Microsoft Word. So suppose there is a situation where you have added a few lines of text in a particular page and you want to add another page then and there. You just want to leave the rest of the page blank and you want to add a new page from where you want to add some more text. So how are we going to do that? So first of all, let's see an example. Here is this page where I have added just the 2 lines of text and I just want to leave all this white space and add a new page. So the first thing is that you might be thinking of is you just keep on pressing the enter key until you reach the end of the page, and then Word would automatically add a new page, but that would just disturb your alignment because there would be too much of empty white space present on your document, which is not always recommended. So let's just go with the other version. That's the correct version of this problem. You need to go to this insert tab. Here you can see that wherever your cursor is, you have to take into notice the position of this cursor, because if your cursor is over here, this is where the blank page would be added and this text would be shifted onto the next page, right? So you might have to make sure that your cursor is just after the text where you want to add the page. Then you can just go to this blank page option. So it would add a new blank page, leaving all this space, and the cursor would automatically shift onto the starting of the new page. You can just enter any text that you want. Suppose let me just type in new page. So this is how you add a blank page in Word. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.